My name is Prathamesh and I completed my BTech IT degree from Pillai College of Engineering, New Panvel. And after that, I joined JSpiders, which is a training institute. From here, I gained technical skills like SQL, Core Java with OOPS concept, web technology with React.js framework. Okay. And apart from this, the best thing about JSpiders is like the daily presentations and the grooming sessions. Like it helped me a lot to build my confidence and confidence in technical knowledge as well as other soft skills. I'll recommend this JSpiders to each and every student, especially the students who are in their mid journey, in their mid degree journey. Like for example, we can say the students who are in second year or third year. I'll recommend to join JSpiders. It will help a lot. It will help you a lot in covering all the foundations and basic skills which is required to meet the industry standards. Thank you very much.